Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to share the live location in line. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, well, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to share the live location. Well, right here, as you can see, I have gone to the chat interface with my friend, and now let's only focus at the bottom of the screen. At the bottom left corner, you will see a plus icon right here. Click on it, and as such you will be provided a few options like files, contacts and everything. But right now all you guys need to do is focus on this button called as location. Click on it, and that's it guys. Simply input your location right here, and once everything is okay, just click on share. And guys, that is it. As you guys can see, I have successfully shared my live location in line. Well guys, that is it. That's how we share live location in line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.